Welcome to my channel. Happy Meal Prep Sunday. For meal prep lunches this week, we are making grinder sub salads. These are the ingredients I'm going to use for the salad dressing. And for the rest of the ingredients, this light turkey breast, Black Forest ham, and reduced sodium salami are all from Costco. I have cherry tomatoes, romaine lettuce, banana peppers, turkey pepperoni, mozzarella cheese, and red onion. This is the finished product of our grinder sub salad. The macros are 528 calories, 14 carbs, 39 grams of fat, 35 grams of protein. If you stay on at the end, I will show how I tracked this in MyFitnessPal to figure out the macros. And if you want to see more meal prep recipes like this, hit that like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. All right, so this is how I figured out the macros. I used the MyFitnessPal app and I created a recipe. And what I did for each one, so the banana peppers, I did use 4 rings. So I did 1/3 of a serving. And we did 1 cup of romaine, about 5 cherry tomatoes, and 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 ounce of salami. I did use my food scale to weigh out the meats, and that food scale is on my Amazon storefront as well. And we did 2 slices of the turkey breast, 2 slices of the ham, which didn't end up being 2 ounces. We did 6 slices of the pepperoni, about 2 tablespoons of the red onion, and I can show you how I calculated the macros for the dressing. But with the dressing and all those ingredients, it tells me right at the top what all those macros are. All right, now for the dressing, I did put that under recipe, and then I just added it to the meal prep meal at the end. And as you can see, it tells you all of your macros right here as well. If I edit recipe, it'll show you the ingredients. So we used 1/3 cup of the Primal Kitchen mayo, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of the red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I did not add the seasonings in here. I typically don't count those. And hopefully that's helpful a little bit, and what some of you guys were asking. I can go more in depth with how I use the app if you'd like. I would say I'm pretty lenient with counting everything. I'm not super strict. I do calculate like my meal preps and my dinners just to have an idea of what my macros are for the week and make sure I'm not going overboard. And I will see you guys next week.